It's out. Our first AI work hack just went live. SynStruct, the tool that transforms messy PDFs into clean Excel spreadsheets. No more late nights fighting with tables. No more copy-paste marathons. Just upload, click, done. The demo video just dropped on YouTube. And SynStruct? That's just the beginning. We're building an entire foundry of AI work hacks. AI helpers designed for one purpose: handling the routine, painful, boring work that's currently stealing your time. More are coming. Fast. Take hiring. Hundreds of resumes flooding in, all written by ChatGPT. Dynamic professionals seeking to spearhead growth. They look impressive. They mean nothing. Long nights reviewing applications. Bad hires. No clear solution. Until now. What if hiring took seconds, not hours? An AI BS meter that spots the fluff. Instant skill evaluation across any tech stack. Interview questions that write themselves based on the actual resume. What if you could see through the noise instantly? The SynaptyX Foundry is launching soon. AI work hacks built by the AI good guys. For people who deserve better tools, tools that save time, increase focus, and actually work.